Next one's from Melissa Ann.
Melissa.
This is how all of her name's Melissa Ann, but this is how all of my relatives from Yonkers would say it. Melissa Ann. Melissa Ann, what's your deal?
So while trying my best to be a loving member of society.
Uh-oh, we have an adorable voice alert on Melissa Ann.
So while trying my best to be a loving member of society, I also, unfortunately, am a trash person when it comes to cleaning my room. Please, any motivation.
I defer to Zoya.
I'm a trash person lately, too. I haven't even cleaned my house, so I'm the worst person to ask right now.
And I gotta live in this filth. I'm digging myself out of this trash basket every goddamn day.
Honestly, just a little bit. There's nothing that makes you feel better than a clean space. We're not in a disgusting mess.
Cleaning is a
Clearly.
gift you give yourself.
Clearly, we're not in a disgusting mess.
Cleaning is a gift you give yourself.
But when you're in like a clean space, it feels good. It makes you feel good. It gives you a little more energy to want to do a little more.
It does make you feel better about your surroundings, makes you want to do more. Clean house, clean head.
Yeah, 100%.
But do you find yourself being easily distracted or uncomfortable in your own environment? Fucking just put things, look at something and be like, is that where it's supposed to be? And if it's not, put it where it's supposed to be. And then do that to the next thing and the next thing. Then clean your dishes.
Yeah.
Because do your dishes
Don't
belong
leave
in the
it-
sink?
Yes, they belong there, but not in your room.
No,
Yeah.
they don't. Dishes don't belong in the sink. Dishes belong underneath your chin at the dining room table. Filled with food, plentiful. You're doing it, Peter. Imagine the food and it'll be there. Okay, hook reference. And dude, sometimes I'll go out into the living room and I'll see that we spent a good part of the evening watching Shit's Times on Netflix on the couch underneath a blanquier.
Yes.
And if that blanquier is left unfolded, which it normally is, I'll go and I'll fold it and then I'll say the living room looks that much cleaner.
Yeah.
And then I'll see that there's a cup on the table. A cup we were drinking from while we were watching Shitty Times on Netflix. And I'll say that doesn't belong in there. And then I'll bring the cup to the dish. Cheers in the sink. And then I'll say this shit doesn't belong in the sink. And then I'll wash that, dry it, and put it up and where it needs to be.
Into the sky?
Into the sky where it needs to be. And the cabinets in the sky where plates go when they pass on.
Cabinets in the sky.
I'm telling you that if you take the time to do the shit that you don't want to do, in this case cleaning, it just makes you feel better.
100%.
Okay? It's like flushing the toilet. If you go drop a no in the toilet and you lift up and you walk away and maybe the no is out of sight and out of mind.
Yeah.
You go to drop a no a second time and you pick up the toilet and your original no is still in there, you're going to feel bad.
Yeah,
so
no.
what do? You flush it.
Yeah.
The act of flushing it makes it a clean surface to do no in next time.
Knowing.